Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we unlock the secrets of Lean Six Sigma for your professional growth. Today, we're diving into a critical but often overlooked factor for successful process improvement: active supervision. Whether you're on the shop floor or leading a project team, active supervision can make or break your Lean Six Sigma journey. Let's break it down. So what exactly is active supervision? Think of it as the opposite of management by email. Active supervision means leaders are present, visible, and hands-on. In Lean Six Sigma, it's about supervisors being on the floor, observing processes, coaching team members, and driving daily improvements, not just checking reports from their desk. Imagine a supervisor who spends half their day walking the floor, talking with operators, checking standards, and removing roadblocks. That's active supervision. But why is this so important for Lean Six Sigma? Here's the thing. Lean Six Sigma isn't just about fancy tools or data analysis. It's about culture. Active supervision creates accountability, engagement, and a relentless focus on eliminating waste and variation. With active supervisors, issues get spotted early. Small problems don't turn into big headaches. Teams feel supported and empowered to suggest improvements, knowing their ideas will be seen and acted on. And guess what? Studies show that organizations with active supervisors see faster project success, lower defect rates, and higher employee satisfaction. That's a win, win, win. So, what do active supervisors actually do? Here are a few key behaviors. Gemba walks, regularly visiting the actual workplace to see problems and progress firsthand. Daily stand-ups, short, structured meetings to discuss targets, issues, and quick wins. Coaching, not policing. Asking questions, offering feedback, and supporting skill development. Standard work checks, making sure everyone is following and improving standard processes. Immediate response, acting fast when problems arise instead of letting issues pile up. Active supervisors are the connectors between strategy and execution. They turn Lean Six Sigma from a poster on the wall into real daily results. If you want to build active supervision into your team, start here. Be visible. Get out from behind your screen. Your presence matters. Listen first. Show respect for team members' insights and ideas. Empower your people. Encourage everyone to spot problems and suggest solutions. Celebrate small wins. Recognize progress no matter how minor. Keep learning. Model a growth mindset by continuously improving your own approach.
Remember, you don't need to be the loudest in the room, just the most consistent and supportive. To sum up, active supervision is the fuel that keeps Lean Six Sigma running strong. When leaders show up, support, and solve problems in real time, everyone wins.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips for active supervision in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep driving improvement, one day at a time.